So first, mix your... Okay lang po. Malinis naman yung... Get your squid. Make sure it's well coated in the batter. Add this on top of your sweet potato flour. And make sure to really pack it in. You want to do this one by one para walang maiwan. And if you see this, may mga angat na flour. That's perfectly fine. You want that. This goes straight into your oil. So I'll do another one. So from the wet batter straight into the flour. Coat it, really pack it in, as in almost squeeze it into your squid. Tapos straight into the oil it goes. Okay, you may continue. So do that for the oils that are put in them. And then just let me know who needs to check the temperature of the oil. So you want to fry these in batches para hindi siya mag-boil instead of frying. So judging by the size of your pans, just don't overcrowd it too much. Siguro mga 10 pieces, around 10 pieces is good.